Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and here's a throwback Universal Studios Singapore experience with my family. Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World! So here's the park map, and then we went first to Hollywood, then the ancient Egypt, then the Lost World, then So Far Far Away, and then Madagascar. Plus we ended up at the Sci-Fi City. Welcome to Universal Studios Singapore! Video bomber. So this is part of the horror area. Well decorated, and I guess it's gonna be very beautiful at night. Welcome to the land of the ancient world. Namin din sa the mummy pyramids. So we're inside the pyramids. Happy people inside the pyramids. The land of the dinosaurs might be one of your favorites. So here's the Jurassic Park. Yeah. So here at Universal Studios Singapore, you have the Jurassic Park. Yeah. The Lost World. Bye. A million thanks to the land of the dinosaurs here at the Jurassic Park at the Universal Studios Singapore. So the land of far, far away. Oh, papa. Far, far away land. From the far, far away land to Madagascar. And now back to Hollywood. Marilyn Monroe. Capacity.
I'm supposed to partner with human navigators.
Well,
but they told me
so back to the Transformers,
so
the ride. One of my favorites here in this Universal Studios in Singapore.
If any of you are willing to volunteer,
Meeting again, keep it.
The more eyes we have to bag. We'll have to react fast to keep the all-stars
One of the coolest
because
things.
out there is all in the city.
This is equated to the Spider-Man of Universal Studios Japan. So
the surrounding area. We'll provide you with all the cover we can. But the future of
pretty
both
nice
our
to
species.
we really did enjoy the days at Universal Studios Singapore. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching Joy of the World Travel.